Hydraulic systems are at the heart of our car wash equipment. It is therefore crucial to check hoses for wear regularly, keep an eye on fluid levels, and deal with leaks promptly. The Hydraulic Power Pack, or HPP, is a closed-loop drive system that holds 45 gallons of hydraulic fluid pumped through half-inch hoses. When the HPP motor starts, the hydraulic pump moves fluid out to the motor attached to the equipment. The fluid drives the equipment and then returns to the HPP. We have 2 hydraulic power packs at each location. The first is located at the exit of the tunnel. It drives the conveyor chain. The second HPP is located in the mechanical room. It drives 3 pieces of equipment in the tunnel: the low boys, the tire brush, and the tall boys. Hydraulic leaks will make the wash inoperable, so a problem needs to be attended to immediately. Inside the HPP tanks is a safety float that measures fluid level. If a tank loses 1 gallon of hydraulic fluid, the car wash conveyor will stop, and the HPP will send a message to the WBC that the system is in panic mode. Often, the leak is very obvious, and you will know right away which system is affected. Otherwise, look inside the WBC at the little red LED lights located on the top right control board. If one of the 2 hydraulic-related lights is out, it means that one of the 2 HPPs is low on fluid, either the one at the exit of the tunnel or the one in the mechanical room. To identify which HPP is reporting trouble, you will have to look at the handwritten information on the inside of the WBC door. It will tell you which light refers to which HPP. If the problem is with the one that drives the conveyor, you will have to close the wash. Customer service is our top priority at this point. Send the greeter to immediately cone off the entrance of the car wash. Next, the greeter needs to inform all the drivers in the queue that the wash is broken. Hand them a free upgrade card and guide them to the emergency exit lane. The tunnel guide rinses off all the cars inside the tunnel that already have soap on them and helps the drivers exit the tunnel safely. The manager or assistant manager should give refunds or free wash cards to all the customers in the tunnel and the stack. As soon as all customers are taken care of in a polite and professional manner, remove and replace the broken hydraulic line so the car wash can get back to business. No matter where the leak is at, in order to replace a bad hydraulic hose, first make sure the relays to the piece of equipment you are working on are off. Locate the pre-made hose and get the proper wrenches. Replace the bad hose and turn the relays back on. Check for leaks. When done, make sure to clean up any spill of hydraulic fluid. If the HPP in the mechanical room is the one that has a leak, you need to quickly find out where the leak is and isolate that piece of equipment to get the car wash back up and running. Turn off the 3 relays for either the low boys, tire brush, or tall boys. Add hydraulic fluid to the mechanical room HPP until the red light comes back on inside the WBC. Before starting the wash up again, clean up the spills. This includes cleaning the hydraulic fluid off any brushes it might have gotten on. To restart the wash, take off the emergency stop and press the green button at the launch pad. After the car wash closes for the day, repair or replace the broken hose. To repair a hydraulic hose, first make sure the relays to the piece of equipment you are working on are off. Get the grinder and cut out this section of bad hose. Next, install 2 new hydraulic fittings. Attach the 2 new fittings with a coupler. When the repair is done, turn the relays back on. Make sure there are no leaks. Now the wash is ready again for business.